Now, our speaker today is Darlene Marquardt. She's working in Pathways, and it's called a motivational strategies. Level 3 elective. Make connections through networking. Her speech timer is 5 to 7 minutes. Excuse me. The speech title is How Do I Network? There are many ways to network. Darlene's job for this project was to plan and attend a networking event. Darlene participates regularly in networking events that would qualify for planning and attending. She will be sharing the various platforms she uses to network and to talk about the benefits of it in her life. Set your device to speaker view instead of gallery view to fully be able to view her visual aid. Was a tongue twister, maybe kind of modern. Please welcome distinguished Toastmaster Darlene Marquardt.
Thank you very much. I'm going to put my computer on screen sharing here. However, I'm going to talk to you at the same time. I'm not going to start this little video that you see quite yet, but I will in a moment. Networking can take place at any gathering that allows you to have the opportunity to connect with others. That can be social events, community service events, professional events, and nowadays online. Online breaks those geographical barriers. It's important when you're networking to present yourself as friendly and engaging and interact with the people that you're with. And then afterwards, maintain contact with those people that you have met while you've been networking. You need to plan ahead what you want to say. You could call it an elevator pitch and communicate important points and decide on your talking points. An important way nowadays to do that is with social media. Can you all see my screen? Nod your heads up and down. Yes, you can see my screen. What you see in front of you here is YouTube. As you probably already know, I have a YouTube channel and I make YouTube videos, and I network with people because they comment about my videos and I comment back, and I watch other people's videos and I comment and they comment back. And so we communicate with each other and we network in that way. And I have made nearly 400 videos for my channel, and I have almost 500 followers. Twitter is another way that I can network with other people by watching the things that people say and commenting on them. And also Twitch. Our church was using Twitch to record their services for a while. And there's TikTok. Everybody's heard of TikTok. And it's short little videos that you watch that people make. Some of them are really quite goofy. And then you can comment and you can hit the little heart button if you wish. And there's Pinterest. Pinterest is where people come together and share all kinds of different crafts, things that they do, things that they love, and you can organize it into all kinds of different things and connect with people that like the same things that you like. And that's a form of networking when you connect with all of those people that like all of the same things that you do. And then there's an app called Nextdoor, and this is where you can connect with the people in your exact neighborhood, on your street, or maybe the street next to you, the people really near you. And there will be all kinds of alerts on there for things going on in your area, as well as the ability to speak and communicate with your neighbors. That's why it's called next door, because it is the people that actually live near you. And I find that quite interesting. And then there's LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a little more professional. A lot of my LinkedIn people that I connect with are Toastmasters, not all of them, but quite a few of them are Toastmasters. And they post things about Toastmasters, and the people that aren't Toastmasters, it's more uplifting, I would say, than Facebook, because it tends to be more professional. And I find that it is a good way to network. You can also have your own page, your own profile on LinkedIn, where people can look and see what kinds of things you're good at. If you're looking for a job, you put all of your qualifications there, where you've gone to school, what jobs you've had in the past, and people can come in and also they can make comments about the things that they know you're good at. So recommendations, if you will, about you. And you can network with prospective clients or people that might want to hire you. There's Instagram. Instagram is a lot of pictures, but people can comment, and you again can connect with people that like the same things that you like. And you can pick and choose what kinds of pictures you want to watch and what kind of pictures you want to post. And it's always an interesting way to network with other people and share your life with other people, and they share their life with you, which is part of what networking is, communicating back and forth with other people and staying connected with them. And of course, there's Facebook. Facebook, what can I say about Facebook? A lot of people say they see negative things on Facebook, but a lot of that is who they choose to be friends with and what kind of posts they choose to have show up on their screen. So you can see a lot of Facebook things. I like to connect and yes, connect is the right word, with family and with Toastmaster people that I know, and with other people that I've met here and there. And I've gotten reconnected with some people that I went to high school with that I had totally lost track of. And I keep in contact with both my biological and my forever family. And it's a good way to network. I think that networking is so very important. It is how we should live our lives. I hope that you're finding ways to network with other people in these strange days that we live in, because networking is what keeps us alive and fresh and keeps our brains active. Being with other people and communicating and keeping in contact with people other than the ones we live with. And I see Greg dancing, so I will turn this back over to Mr. Toastmaster.